Good morning, y'all. I'm just having my breakfast here. It's avocado toast, obviously. Why is this getting blurry? I've got 2 of the Dave's Killer Bread Good Seed slices toasted with half of an avocado spread throughout both of the toasts. Wow, I can't speak today. And some red onion, salt, pepper, arugula mixed with olive oil and lemon on it. All right, so I just want to let y'all know. I just got this deodorant. I always use spray deodorant. Sometimes I use the men's Dove spray deodorant. Sometimes I use the women's. I switch back and forth because I have this firm belief that if you stick to only one deodorant, your body gets used to it, or you get used to it, and then you just don't smell the goodness anymore. It's like you get nose blind. So anyways, I switch a lot, okay? And this time I decided to go with a female deodorant. Normally, lately for the past few months, I've been only using men's deodorant. This one smells amazing, and I need y'all to go get this. The next time you run out of deodorant, I need you to try this for me, okay? The Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray Deodorant in the scent Rose Petals. I'm sure you think you know what it smells like because you know what rose smells like, but it's so much better than that. It's so much better than that. Oh, I just want to put more and more, like every day. I just want to spray it on me. It smells so incredibly amazing. It actually smells like you put perfume on. Girl, you need to try it. All right, so I put some super light makeup on. My kids are being very loud. It's great. Everything's great. I literally just put like the super natural lashes that I got from Dollar Tree on to make myself feel better because I felt really ugly and gross, but I still feel ugly and gross. But it's okay. Let's go make some Christmas cookies. Okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna make some Christmas cookies now. We're making sugar drop cookies. I didn't want to do the rolled cookies because honestly that just seems like too much work. So I will go ahead and leave the video link down below in the description box for the recipe that I used for today. It's from this woman's YouTube channel, and she said that this is what she makes with her kids just because it's so much easier than the rolled cookie cutter classic sugar Christmas cookies. I hope this setup looks okay. It's actually like so hard to get a good setup. Like I don't know how people do cooking videos. And I did do dishes today, but you can probably see some dirty dishes. Sorry about that. But I have everything laid out. The oven is preheated and I've got my baking sheets already. I feel like one of the things that makes it easier to cook with kids is just like getting everything all set first and portioned. So I bought these really cute little clear glass bowls from Dollar Tree, and I put the ingredients all portioned out in there except for the butter, the sugar, and the flour. So we're gonna get started. I've got this big Christmas bowl, so I figured we would mix up the cookies in here because it's a Santa.
It looks funny.
Yeah.
It's like he's dancing.
Might as well, right? And so you need 2 sticks of softened butter. So do you want to open this up?
Yeah.
And put it in the bowl?
I like. Oh, I'm gonna open it really funny.
Yep. Be careful because it's slippery.
I know.
Here. Okay.
Ooh, can't really get it in here.
Okay, dump it. Look, hold this, and then you just do this. There you go. Yeah.
I did that for a little trick.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to mess up this sweatshirt because I really like the sweatshirt. It's from Shein, by the way. What do you think about my apron? It says, whine a little, laugh a lot.
Wine a little, laugh a lot.
Yeah, but there's pictures of wine all over it.
Wine.
So I wrote all of the instructions down on here because, as you guys know, I use my phone to film, so I can't look at the video while I'm making this because I'm filming. So next is going to be 1 1/3 granulated sugar. 1 1/3 cup, I'm sorry. So where's a third? Do I not have a third here? Here's my granulated sugar. I'm just gonna pour this and then you can put it in there, okay, Mila?
Okay. Am I gonna do next?
You're gonna do the third.
It's a lot of sugar.
All right.
The bunch of sugar.
Just turn it. Okay.
Oh, it smells sugar now. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. Mine is going up second.
Okay. Good job. So, this is my hand mixer. I think I'm gonna do this because I don't want it to be a mess.
Wow.
I swear it softens better, so. Next, we're gonna put in the flour. So we need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have it in a bag because it was leaking.
That is new. Can I use this now?
All right, so along with the flour, so you can mix the dry ingredients separately if you want to, but she says that she finds it pointless. So I'm gonna do it the easy way too and just do it all together. You're gonna wanna put your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt, and it's gonna be 1/2 teaspoon of each of those, and then we're gonna mix it all together. Did I say vanilla extract? Oh no, oh my God, I forgot to mix the egg and the vanilla extract first. Oh no! You guys, even if I'm prepared, I'm still not prepared. So we need 1 egg, which I forgot about, and I should have mixed it before I put the flour, but it's okay. Okay, and now we're just gonna put all of these in here. So I'm gonna give this to you. This is the salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, pour it in here. Oh God. Hold it by the edge like that. See the edge. There you go. There you go. Okay.
Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy.
Okay.
You know, the bowl's flat.
Hold it by the edge. There you go. Like the lip. Pour it in there. Go right here.
I'm actually gonna do it like this.
Yeah. Whatever feels safest.
Now it's a pool.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, we have a pool and a mixture.
You want to pour this one?
Yes. What's
Get
that?
the lip. There you
What's
go.
that?
This one, oh, so that was, ah! We're having a disaster. Okay, go ahead. Pour it. Good job. So that was the salt, the vanilla extract, the baking soda, and now baking powder is the last ingredient. That doesn't smell like anything.
Alright, these are gonna be people in pool now.
Okay. Now we're mixing. I wish I had a deeper bowl, but I don't. Like I have a plastic deeper bowl, but I feel like you need glass or ceramic. So I think we're having some difficulty because I didn't mix the egg and the vanilla extract before I mixed the flour. But it feels like a dough. It's just kind of, it's looking all piecey in the bowl. So I'm just gonna go with my spatula and do the rest of this. It should turn out fine. Like, I don't see why it wouldn't. I don't know, maybe I should add another egg. I mean, it looks like dough.
Can I pick this up, dough, actually?
It does look like dough.
Can I pick this up?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I bought this cookie scoop specifically for this video. So I'm gonna get in here and get a cookie, and I'm gonna give it to you. Are your hands clean? Actually, everybody go wash your hands with soap.
Even you.
I already did wash my hands with soap. Yeah, go wash your hands with soap. Because we're gonna roll these with our hands. What color do you want to choose first? You want blue? What color do you want, Austin?
It's one of my favorite colors. I want green because I like the tickly glass.
Okay. So here's a ball. And here's a ball.
Oh gosh.
So first you're gonna take it like this and roll it in a ball and put some sprinkles. Okay, and now put this down. And then take it and roll it in the ball, roll it in the sprinkles. Let me move this so you guys can see.
Whoa, it feels really good. Then roll it again.
Look, just pick up all the sprinkles like this. See? Here, do it. Yeah, put some more.
Green.
And then you go like this to get all the sprinkles on there.
I'm happy that you're teaching me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, roll it into a ball.
This is none of your business. This is none of your business.
Feel satisfied? Okay, so now you're gonna take it over here, put it right there.
I'm well satisfied.
No, you gotta leave space for it to spread.
I'm well satisfied over here.
Okay.
I need a mess where? It's a mess. Yep. How do you work? Yeah, this is none of your business. She's going under the chair. Are you kidding? This is none of your business. I'm standing and you're getting me. It's none of your business. Come on. It looks like ice cream now.
We gotta do it to all the cookies.
Wait, actually just roll.
Gotta make them all pretty.
Wait. Oh, I thought you want me my other one.
I put it over there. We're gonna make all of this into pretty cookies. We gotta make all of them. Hurry, roll it.
I'm really satisfied about that. I'm actually gonna put
You wanna leave it like that? Hold on, don't spill the sprinkles on the floor. Keep it on the...
Put it blue too. Blue and green together. I want blue. I want blue and red.
You okay with this red one?
Yeah. I want blue and red.
Spilling all the sprinkles. Just swept today too. So I'm heating up my leftover hot wings from yesterday because I am so hungry. I like ate breakfast but didn't eat lunch, so it like happened like awkwardly the time that I started getting hungry. But the kids are outside playing on the swing set with hubby. He's sitting out there and he's not quite ready for dinner yet. It's 4:30. Yeah, I'm just like, if I don't eat right now, it's gonna be bad. I don't want to be hangry, so he's gonna take care of his dinner and the kids' dinner, and I'm just gonna worry about me right now because I'm starving. But I wanted to show y'all how cute. Okay, this will not close. I want to show y'all how cute this box from Dollar Tree works for the cookies. So yeah, I hauled this a little while back in a Dollar Tree haul. And yeah, got this at Dollar Tree. It is just the perfect, I knew it was gonna be the perfect size for Christmas cookies. I just felt it. Like, how cute is this? And so that recipe, you guys, it ended up making 30 cookies. Oh, there's my dinner. And there's 2, so this is part of the 30, but there's 2 cookie doughs in here because hubby likes to eat cookie dough. And if he doesn't want to eat it, we'll just make them into cookies. But you guys, these cookies are amazing. Me and the kids already had some, and it was really hard to stop eating them because they're so soft and chewy. If you like a soft and chewy cookie, you're gonna love these. That's my favorite kind of cookie. I do not like hard, crunchy cookies, really. It's not my favorite. I have to be in the mood for it, but for the most part, I like me some soft ones and chewy. And what I did was, after a few minutes of letting them cool when they came out, I then transferred them to a cooling rack. I just had this on the counter like this, and I let them cool on that before I went ahead and put them in the box. But this box is